Have you ever been jolted awake by a sudden stabbing cramp in your leg? That shocking pain? It twists your muscles, steals your sleep, and leaves you frozen, afraid to even move. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of seniors deal with leg cramps at night, or even during a quiet walk. They strike without warning, while resting, getting into bed, or just sitting in your favorite chair. But here's something important. It's not your fault. In many cases, these cramps are simply your body's way of asking for help, often from missing minerals like magnesium, potassium, or calcium, or even just not drinking enough water. Now, don't ignore these cramps. Sometimes they're more than pain. They're a warning sign. The good news? You don't need pills or complicated treatments. There are simple, natural foods, everyday foods, that can gently relax your muscles and reduce those painful nights. In today's video, I'll show you 3 powerful foods that can make a real difference, and the easiest way to add them to your daily routine. Stay with me, just a few minutes here could help you avoid many sleepless, painful nights. Have you ever felt your legs suddenly tighten in the middle of the night, as if the muscle locks and simply refuses to let go? It's startling, painful, and it can leave you frightened to fall back asleep, afraid it might strike again. But here's something many people overlook. Relief doesn't always come from medicine. Sometimes it begins with the food we choose, and one of the most powerful foods for muscle relief is surprisingly simple: avocado. Most of us think of bananas when we hear potassium, but an avocado actually contains more potassium than a whole banana. And potassium isn't just another nutrient. It's essential for helping your muscles contract and, more importantly, relax. When your body runs low on potassium, your muscles can become irritable, tightening without warning, especially during the night. That's when those severe cramps strike. Avocados provide a steady, natural dose of potassium, helping balance your body's electrolytes and keeping your muscles calm. They're also rich in healthy fats and magnesium, which support proper nerve function, another key in preventing sudden spasms. For seniors, avocados are more than healthy. They're practical. You can spread them on whole grain toast, mix them into salads, or enjoy a few slices with breakfast. They're soft, heart-friendly, and gentle on digestion, ideal for aging bodies. By nourishing both muscles and nerves, avocado gives your body the support it needs to rest peacefully, so you can sleep without the fear of being jolted awake by stabbing pain. So, if you've been waking up in pain, don't ignore it. Your body may be asking for something simple, and avocado might be the first step toward calmer nights and stronger mornings. If leg cramps often strike without warning, especially at night, there's another quiet hero your body may be missing: magnesium. And one of the richest, most natural sources of magnesium is something you may already have in your kitchen: spinach. While potassium helps muscles relax, magnesium works hand in hand with it, calming the nerves that control those muscles. Without enough magnesium, muscles can fire suddenly, tightening into painful spasms right when you're trying to rest. Spinach is one of the most powerful magnesium-rich foods, yet it's incredibly gentle on the body, perfect for seniors. You don't need a complicated recipe. You can add it to a warm soup, fold it into an omelet, or blend a handful into a smoothie before dinner. What makes spinach special is how it supports your entire nighttime system. It soothes irritated nerves, encourages steady muscle function, and even helps your body unwind after a long day. Magnesium in spinach acts like a quiet signal to your muscles and nerves. It's time to relax. You're safe to rest. By making spinach a small part of your evening routine, you give your body a natural tool to fight back against those sudden, sleep-stealing cramps. It's more than just a leafy green. It's bedtime support, delivered straight from nature. For many people, leg cramps feel like a sudden storm, striking out of nowhere and leaving you tense, breathless, and wide awake. But sometimes what your body is asking for is something very simple: potassium. And one of the most trusted, time-tested sources of potassium is a familiar friend: the banana. Bananas are more than just a quick snack. They deliver a steady dose of potassium and vitamin B6, two nutrients that work together to support healthy nerve signals and prevent muscles from tightening without warning. When potassium levels drop, your muscles can misfire, sending sharp cramps through your calves or feet, often in the dark of night. By restoring that balance, bananas help your muscles stay calm, reducing the risk of sudden spasms that steal your sleep. What makes bananas especially helpful for seniors is how easy they are to digest. No cooking, no preparation, just peel and enjoy with breakfast, or even before bedtime for a gentle evening snack. Bananas also support hydration, helping your body hold on to the electrolytes it needs to keep cramps from returning again and again. It's not just a fruit, it's a natural safety net for tired muscles and restless nights. So the next time your body warns you with a sudden cramp, remember this simple truth: sometimes comfort can be as close as a single banana. Food can calm your muscles from the inside, but what you do each night can protect them from the outside. Simple habits to stop leg cramps at night beyond food. Eating the right foods is a powerful start, but a few gentle lifestyle habits can make an even bigger difference, especially when cramps strike in the middle of the night. 1. Keep your body gently hydrated. Dehydration is one of the most common, yet silent causes of leg cramps. Even if you don't feel thirsty, your muscles still need steady fluids to function properly. Try sipping water slowly throughout the day. Not all at once, just a little at a time. A simple habit is to enjoy a glass with each meal and keep a small glass or bottle near your bed in case you wake up feeling dry or tight. 2. Stretch before bed. A few minutes can save your night. Tight muscles are more likely to cramp. A few gentle stretches before bedtime can help release tension and improve circulation. Focus on your calves and thighs. Even small movements like pointing and flexing your toes or walking slowly around the room can make a real difference. Many seniors find relief by doing light ankle rolls or leg stretches while sitting on the edge of the bed. 3. Keep your legs warm. While you sleep, cold muscles tend to tighten. If your feet or legs get chilly at night, consider soft socks, a light blanket, or even a warm compress before bed. Some people find that a warm bath or heating pad in the evening helps the muscles relax, like telling your body, it's time to rest. 4. Don't ignore frequent cramps. Talk to your doctor. If cramps wake you up several times a week, they may be linked to medications, circulation, or mineral imbalances. You don't have to suffer in silence. Mention it at your next checkup. Your doctor may adjust something or suggest a safe supplement to bring your muscles back into balance. A final reminder: small, steady habits, hydration, stretching, warmth, and awareness can turn painful nights into peaceful rest. Your body doesn't need perfection, just a little care, given consistently. Your body has carried you far. These small habits are simply your way of giving something back. Before we finish, let's quickly review what we talked about today. Leg cramps are a common issue for many older adults. They can happen for many reasons, such as low minerals, dehydration, or even side effects from certain medications. But the good news is, there are simple, natural ways to ease them without always depending on medicine. Today we explored 3 powerful muscle-supporting foods. Avocado, packed with potassium and healthy fats. It helps relax muscles and prevent sudden nighttime cramps. Spinach, rich in magnesium, it calms overactive nerves and supports smooth muscle function. Bananas, a gentle source of potassium and vitamin B6, helping restore electrolyte balance and reduce painful spasms. We also talked about a few simple daily habits, like staying hydrated, stretching before bed, and keeping your legs warm at night, to give your muscles the best chance to rest peacefully. And remember, if cramps continue to occur often, it's always wise to speak with your doctor to rule out deeper causes or adjust any medications. Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. I hope this information brings you more comfort, calmer nights, and stronger mornings ahead. Your body has carried you far. These small steps are just a way of gently giving back. Stay hopeful, stay gentle with yourself, and remember, better nights are still possible.